Hi Rams, this is Miss Olson. I've gotten a few questions about what to do with your mask when you need to blow your nose. So I have Nurse Bida here who's going to be working with us this year, and she's going to demonstrate what to do when you need to blow your nose. So the first thing you're going to do is remove your mask from one ear. Make sure you're only touching the ear loop. And then go ahead and grab a tissue. Blow your nose. Dispose of the tissue. Put your mask back on by touching the ear loop. Adjust it so that it covers your nose, mouth, and chin. And then finish up by hand sanitizing.